Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a shawl tutorial again, but by this time it's for a square tutorial. Nah, yang kemarin itu kan aku udah bikin video tutorial yang pakai pashmina. Terus kali ini aku mau bikin video tutorial yang pakai hijab square kayak ini. Dan buat kalian yang belum nonton yang pashmina tutorial, nanti aku kasih link di description box. So if you're interested to know how I style my hijab square, just keep on watching. enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, you can click on the subscribe button below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.